Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Toman again. We are going to start with our Wilson's warm-up. I'm going to say the letter, keyword, and sound, and then you repeat after me. You ready? A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Now it's time for our vowels. So we're going to say the letter, then we're going to stretch out the sounds while I trace over the line, and when I get to the keyword, you're going to say the keyword. So it's A, apple. E, and. I, itch. O, octopus. U, up. Okay, now we have a new chart because today we're going to learn a new lesson. There are the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. The first column, you will recognize the keywords. It's A, apple, A. That is the short sound. A is the short sounds. E, ed, E. It's the short sounds. I, itch, I. It's the short sound. O, octopus, A. U, up, A. But there's also the long sounds. So it's A, safe, A. And then E, the long sound is E. The long sound for I is I. The long sound for O is O. And the long sound for U is U. So when I stretch out safe, safe, that middle sound you hear is A. So that's the long sound for A. Safe. You don't hear A, saf. It's safe. Safe. Same with Pete. Eat. Pete. You hear the E. That's the long sound for E. So E says E and E says E. Now here is pine. I'm going to tap out pine. 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 That middle sound you hear is I. Listen. Pine. That middle sound is the long sound for I, which is I. So I says I and I says I. O. So home. 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 So the middle sound there is O. It is the long sound for O. So O, the short sound for O is A, and the short sound and the long sound for O is O. Now U says U like in unicorn. U, it says U. Very good. Now, let's go over. Let's do our letter keyword sound. Let's start by doing just the vowels. The vowels are the pink ones. A, apple, A. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now let's do the consonants. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nut, n. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. T, top, t. V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to play a little game. I am going to say a word, and you're going to tell me if it is the short sound for A or the long sound for A. So here we go. I'm going to say mad. Let me tap it out. Ad. Mad. The middle sound is A. So is it the short sound for A, or the long sound for A? If you said short sound, you are correct. Ad. Mad. Now I'm going to say the word made. Let me stretch it out. Aid. Made. Aid. Made. So is it the short sound, A, or the long sound, A? If you said the long sound A, you are correct. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is O. You're going to tell me if it's A or O. So, hop. Op. Hop. Op. It is the short sound for O. A. So the next one I'm going to do is hope. 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 That middle sound is O. Is that the short sound or the long sound? If you said long sound, you are correct. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do I. Ein. Pine. Ein. Is it the short sounds or the long sound? If you said long sound, you are correct, and it was a hint there, wasn't it? So the next one, pin. In. Pin. In. Pin. Short sound or long sound? It is a short sound like itch. In. Very good job. Ooh. We have one more, and we're going to go back to O again. I'm going to say coat. Let me tap it out and listen to each sound. Oat. Coat. Oat. That middle sound is O. Is that a short sound for O or the long sound for O? If you said long sound, you are correct. The long sound is O. The next one, cot. K, ought. Cot. K, ought. Cot. The middle sound is ah, like octopus. Is it the short sound for O or the long sound? If you said short sound, you are correct. Good job, guys. So we just went over the short sound for the vowels and the long sound for vowels. All right, boys and girls, we're going to play another game. I'm going to give you a sound. I'm going to count to 3, and I'm going to say what letter makes that sound. No, yes. And if you can find it before me, then you win. So here we go. What letter makes the sound? I says Very good. What letter makes the x sounds? X. X says x. What letter makes the a sound? A. A says a. Next, what letter makes the sounds? U says Okay. What letter makes the g sounds? G. G says g. Okay. What letter says e? E says e. Very good job. Okay, boys and girls, we are now on to our final one. With this board and this marker means it's now time for you to find a piece of paper and pencil. You are going to write down the words that I dictate to you. So let me get my board, my marker, while you get your paper and your pencil, and we'll get started in 1 minute. All right, here we go. So this time we are going to have 5 still. All right, we're going to get started. The first word that I am going to tap out is bud. So what you're going to do on your piece of paper, you're going to write the number 1 on your piece of paper. And you know what, I'm going to see if I can draw from here. Let's see. I did it! Yay! Okay, so the first word I would like you to sound out is bad. Ready? B-ad. Bad. B-ad. Bad. You try to write it. Okay, I'm going to write it on the computer. I'm going to try to write it on the computer. Here we go. B. It's not working very well, is it? I'm not going to give up yet.